Let's do this. Welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel, everybody. Today we're going over what I think every Tacoma owner should have in their toolbox, whether you go off-roading or just drive your truck on the street, and that is an undercarriage pressure washer attachment. Why? Road salt, general clean maintenance, you name it, you guys need one of these. I don't have to tell you guys, the frames on the Tacomas are definitely one of the weak points, and this will help keep it strong for as long as possible. And if you are new to the channel and enjoy all things Tacoma related, go ahead and subscribe now. Alright guys, I will be going over a few different items today. If you are interested in picking up any of them, you know the routine. Links in the description below. First off, of course, is the undercarriage pressure washer attachment. This thing is like 25 bucks, comes with 4 nozzles, wheels, you know the drill. You roll it under your truck and you are good to go. Now on the item description on Amazon, they do say it's rated between 1500 and 4000 PSI, but they say the optimum PSI for this, for your pressure washer, is 2500. The current pressure washer I'm using is this one from Greenworks, which, as you can see right there, is 1600 PSI. And even though I'm definitely at the lower end, just above the bare minimum, getting a D- in math in high school, this still works well for my truck, even though it is lifted on the ground. So obviously the higher it is off the ground where the water's going to spray, it's going to be a little weaker. Every time I washed my truck before getting this anyway, I had the pressure washer before, I'd always like sort of get under there and angle it up, just to try to knock off as much loose dirt and crap, especially the road brine, as possible. And even the first time I used this, you can't see it now because we had some good rain here, but it knocked off pounds of sand and dirt and you name it. So even at just running 1600 PSI with my current pressure washer setup, I have found this to be more than adequate. Although it has got me curious, I am thinking about upgrading to something around that 2500 PSI that they say is the optimum pressure. We're in the middle of winter here, and even though it's like 60 degrees today, which is why I turned the water on and can actually record this video, road salt is coming. It snowed once here in Northern Virginia. They love to brine the roads here, so I'm thinking about going ahead and upgrading the pressure washer just so I know I'm getting the most out of this super useful attachment. Now before I had this, I got one of these. It's like a right angle nozzle adjustment. Of course it's not moving since I'm trying to do this one-handed, which you can put on the end of any pressure washer gun. And this is what I was using to sort of, you know, just give myself a better angle to go into the truck like that, and that worked fine. This obviously is much easier. Probably not as strong as spray as this, because this is only coming out of 1 nozzle versus 4, but this gives a much wider coverage with the 4 nozzles. So this is a good thing to have too. I'll go ahead and throw that link down in the description below. And of course, to go with the undercarriage attachment, I got I think this is a 33-foot wand extension. This part of the plastic here on the pressure washer gun actually came with my pressure washer unit, but having the 33-inch wand extension from the clip you'll see in just a second easily allows me to get from one side of the truck undercarriage, from slider on the driver's side all the way over to the slider on the passenger side, just from one side of the vehicle. So you don't technically need the wand to make this work, obviously, but having it will make your life much easier. I will mention real quick, if you do grab the 33-inch wand like I've got, it is a little weak right here. You can see like a little play. So it's not like you can just fling this around under here. That might make it snap. Just go slow and controlled anyway, which is the name of the game really. If you're trying to like get road salt, brine, mud from wheeling off, you want to go like slow passes to knock it loose instead of just zipping past it. But just be aware of that. That does add a little weak point right there with the wand attachment. Aside from that, I love the wand attachment. Super convenient to have. And in case you guys wanted to use this like for a car or something, I'm going to go ahead and measure just to show you how much it sticks off the ground, give you an idea. Let's see, when the nozzles are actually parallel to the asphalt or whatever, from the The ground to the top of the nozzle looks like it's about 4 inches, but you can rotate it up so at the max height at that angle looks like about 4.5, so that's what you have to work with if you're using this on a vehicle a little lower to the ground than the Tacoma. Now be aware you can always use this if you like pull up a lowered vehicle on 2x4s, ramps, or whatever, just to give you that extra space to get to the undercarriage. And to attach it, whether it's to the wand like in my case or your pressure washer gun, it is just a standard 1/4 inch male plug, which should be the industry norm, at least for like lower powered pressure washers like you'd use around the house, unless you're using some like super duty industrial one. 1/4 inch male, quick disconnect right there. And same for the wand extension, obviously female right there, and another 1/4 inch on this side that actually plugs into the gun nozzle of my pressure washer gun. I have seen a few people complain like about the wheels on this thing, like really not lasting too long, but we'll see. Even if they don't, they're just simply bolted on either side right here, one bolt. You can run to Home Depot or somewhere and probably get a few of these for a few bucks, so even if they do break, not a big deal. You can run out and replace that super quick. I am so glad we're having some good weather here so I could share this with you guys. Since we are in the middle of winter, you know you got to keep that frame undercarriage as clean as possible from the salt, road brine, whatever you want to call it. It will eat away your truck. It is cancer to Tacomas. So if you guys are interested in grabbing one of these and you like this attachment, accessory, tool, whatever you want to call it, comment below, let me know. And if you get it and use it, I'd love to hear your thoughts. I love this thing. Can't believe I didn't buy it sooner, even though, like I mentioned, currently running it almost with the bare minimum PSI to get it working, but I might upgrade that pressure washer pretty soon anyway and see what kind of results I get then. And that will do it for this video, everyone. Definitely a quick one today. Wanted to get this out to you, middle of winter, taking advantage of the weather. So hopefully some of you guys can grab this attachment and save your truck some of that disgusting road brine over the upcoming winter. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next video.